Hey everybody, my name is Dilo and I am doing my show To Tea or Not to Tea here at the LGBT Center all of October. It opens on October 4th. Now listen y'all, I know you know a lot of Tamil Sri Lankan people, but you don't know a Tamil Sri Lankan who's transmasculine, who's talking about their journey with testosterone. And really, honestly, when do people like me get a chance to get a show produced in Los Angeles? You know what I'm saying? It's not a typical solo show where I'm walking around with a bottle of water and sitting on a cube. Though I do sit on a couple of cubes. But I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? This shit is gonna be wild, it's gonna be fun. If you came to see my other show, Defunct, which came here in 2015, just think of this as part 2 in a trilogy, because it is. And I'm basically gonna make you laugh, I'm gonna make you cry, we're gonna have a good time. Y'all, I cannot wait to share this offering with you. So come, don't be stupid. It's a party.
When is it?
Huh?
When is it?
Oh, it's October 4th it opens. I said that shit.
Oh.